Okay, welcome. So we've got Git on our computers, and now we're going to do something a little bit easier in this video, and we're going to set up a GitHub account. And so what we're going to do here is you should just be able to go to github.com. And I know that we haven't talked much about this yet, but GitHub will be a place to store your different projects, which will be called repositories, in a place that's on the web so that other people can access them, either privately, should you invite specific people, or publicly, so that everyone can just look and see what you're working on. And so what you'll do once you go to github.com is you'll click this sign up button. And so, it's been a while since I've done this. I don't remember it being this fancy. So it says, welcome to GitHub. Let's begin the adventure. So you'll enter in your email, and I already have a GitHub account that's on my slew email. So I'm going to do my, my old Hotmail account, which I still use as a junk email account. But you should use an email that you actually use. So your slew email or some other email address that you're actually able to check, and it will be convenient. GitHub will not email you junk email, so you don't have to really worry about that. So once you click that, you'll create a password. Again, this should be something that you remember. And so I guess you could follow your own password rules. You're not supposed to make it the same as other passwords, but however you want to do it, your password, and then you'll enter in a username. And so again, the username that I actually use it's either mhyam or hyam. I think it's hyam because that was my username at Oregon State. But for this, I'm going to do mhyam class, just for me to denote that this is my username for this particular class. So click continue. Would you like to receive product updates? That's a huge no for me, so I don't want to receive any product updates. And then it'll have you verify your account by starting this puzzle, which yours probably looks different. It'd be pretty embarrassing if I failed the puzzle, but it's just having me pick a spiral. Phew. Okay. So it'll have you do that and then create your account. So I am not going to do this on screen, but you should be able to log onto your email address or onto your email account that you just put in there and enter in the code that it sent you. So I'm going to pause this video so I can do this off screen for a moment. Okay, so that is about it. Once you enter in that code, you're kind of good to go. You could either do this personalization or you can skip it. So it's kind of your call. I kind of find it kind of weird because the number of team members is going to be different depending on the project. But I'm just going to enter in this stuff. Oh, that's a lot. No, I'm not. I'm going to skip it. So once you're done, you should see it kind of initialize this dashboard. And so at this point, you should not have any projects or repositories. You should just kind of have this kind of base page. You could update your README page if you want. It's kind of fun, but you don't have to. So we are going to stop the video there. Once you make this GitHub account, then you're kind of good to go. What we're going to see in the upcoming videos is that we want to be able to connect the Git that we installed on our laptops with this GitHub repository that is online. So right now these two things are disconnected. You have them both, but there's no way for this website, GitHub, to connect to the Git on your own computer. Like, it doesn't really know that it's you. So that's where we're going next, and we're going to be doing that through RStudio.